Okay, so we're working on a engine that should seem quite familiar to some people, and an engine that some people have been asking to see for quite a few years now. It is the old smoky 5 horsepower engine, the engine that's got a really worn bore, worn piston rings, worn piston, and smokes like the clappers. And it actually dumps oil out of the exhaust just about as quickly as you can pour it back into the crankcase. Trying to think of when this engine sort of last run. It's got to be a good few years ago now, and I think the last time I run it, I was doing a video of those cans of stop smoke that you can get at like Halfords and that in the UK, and I remember firing it up with the bottle. It was like this on the ground, and I had the bottle of the stop smoke here on the exhaust, and I fired it up with it smoking like the clappers, and that whole bottle went black with oil running down it. It would have been quite a funny video, but my laptop broke not long after filming that, and yeah, it never got uploaded. But needless to say, it didn't stop the engine from smoking, that's for sure. And in fact, I think it actually done it some damage in the course of it. I think it's turned the engine oil into like sludge, and we were getting quite a squeak out of it before we shut it down, and we've never run it since. So we're going to dump that oil out of it, put some freshish stuff in there, because we know it's going to dump it out fairly quickly anyway, so we're not going to put new oil, engine oil in there. And we've got to take the flywheel off, clean the points, and then hopefully if we can get a spark, everything else should be okay. I don't think there's any fuel in it, so I think carburetor wise we'll be all right. So we'll see. Let's get that flywheel off. Okay, well, after a quick points clean, the points re-gapped and the air gap adjusted between the magneto and the flywheel, we now have a nice looking spark. So hopefully we should be good to run. Well, there you go, that's pretty cool. This company, Senator Plant Hire Ltd here in the UK, is actually still an operating company. They started in 1972, which will probably give a good sort of indication to when this engine came about. It's probably somewhere around there, definitely before 1982-84, when the points and condenser ignitions phased out and the magnetron systems came in. But yeah, this company, Senator Plant Hire, looks like they've changed address, or at least the name of where they are has changed, but they're still in Sandown in the UK. It'd be kind of cool to contact them, see if they have any records of their really old engines that they had. I might send them a quick little email later. Okay, well, back by popular demand is the old worn 5 horsepower Briggs. We've got it set up in the garden here, got this bit of white plastic down. Hopefully we're going to show how much oil this chucks out the back of it when it gets going. We've got a little cup there of fuel to prime it. We've always had to prime this engine, it's just so worn. We can't expect it to start without some priming. So yeah, we're going to give it a shot. Prime. Check doesn't seem to want to stay out very far for some reason.